Hello everyone and welcome back to my craft room. Have a little something to show you this time. I've actually created a traveller's notebook, which I haven't done before. But I felt I loved a kit that I saw from ARTYmaze called A Winter's Tale. And I felt like I wanted to try the TN version, Traveller's Notebook version of the kit. So this is my first attempt at it. Also, this clutch that I've made was inspired by a crafty guy on YouTube, Dash of Dave. I'll link him down below, but it's actually dash_of_Dave, who was making some purses and wallets out of materials, cardboard, etc., cardstock. And it was a smaller version, like a purse, with a button closure, and he shows you how to make it. And he had two pockets in his. Well, I just decided to make a larger version to form a clutch to put my TN inside. So I will show you what I've created. The closure that I've used for this is just some sari silk, some ivory sari silk, which I put an eyelet in there, so it just wraps around like that and keeps my journal inside. I'll put that to one side for a minute. The clutch is made from an actual bag, which I folded up to sort of make a clutch style. Attach the sides with some calico fabric there, just for extra strength, and it's all sewn on around the sides as well. But essentially it's made out of paper. I've just put the edges of calico around it just for extra strength. And the paper inside, that's from ARTYmaze. I can't remember if this is from ARTYmaze as well. But anyway, I'm sure you'll be able to find some fabric to match it. But I thought that looked like a really good element for a lining there. I've added some velvet there sewn on and some lace, just for extra fancy, if you like. And like I say, it's all sewn around. And that's the clutch. Now the journal, as I say, is a traveller's notebook, and it's the Traveller's Notebook kit, A Winter's Tale. It's also in a full kit as well, but it's a lovely kit. I think she brought it out last year, but I actually bought it last year, but didn't do anything with it until now. I thought just needed to make a little project, and it seemed like the right time to do it. I created a sort of double-ended tag there just to close my TN, and just added some elements and some sparkly stickles around the elements just to give it that sort of icy winter's feel. I think you can see that there. And again, I've used ivory sari silk. This is from the kit, again with some sort of snowflakes on there with stickles. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if the camera will show it. I can see a little sparkle there. I've also added it to the die cut there. That's a Tim Holtz die cut, or Sizzix die cut. The spine is some ticking fabric, which I've just added some little trim around the edge. The colours sort of went with the theme. And in we go. You see there, I've added some sparkles here and there. I don't know if you can see it on, I don't know if the camera's really showing it up, but yeah, just around the compliments of the season label there. And that's a little pocket with a tag with a Tim Holtz paper doll there. That's a Tracy Fox label, I think, that. There's some more of that trim that was on the outside of the cover there. I've added that to that tag. I think the pocket there is also Tim Holtz fabric. The lining there, which is the same as the clutch inside the clutch, is also from ARTYmaze. There's some photograph album paper there, which I've stenciled with some, I think you can see that just. Let's go and get a piece of paper. I've stenciled some snowflakes there. And some blue distress oxide. I can't remember the name of that. I think it might be speckled egg, that one. And there's the start of the kit. There's some beautiful pages in here. I just love it. There's a tag I've created there, made it into a tuck. A brad I made myself. And a collage with some of the elements of the kit there. With another tag inside. There's a ticking and some seam binding there. I've also done some, I dyed some papers with some distress oxides just to add some little elements to the page. It's all parchment paper as well that I've used in this journal. There's another page from the kit. There's a little cluster I've made there, little sparkly cluster with some trims. Little tag there with some stenciling. Texture paste stenciling through there, and some lace at the side there, and again with some sparkle. I don't know if you can see. And just a flip there with some ribbon attached, made into a ruffle. Another page from the kit. There's some of the paper. So I've sort of made a couple of sheets of paper which I just put loads of the oxides on, and also onto the doily as well. But bits I've torn off and just added to the pages onto the parchment paper there. That's a doily that I've dyed. Another page from the kit. There's some more of the torn paper there. There's a Tim Holtz paper doll there. The Christmas tree that I've just jazzed up a little wee bit with some sparkle, and the tag with a brad that I've made with some little glossy accents on the front there, a little bit of muslin. There's a tuck, a little pocket there which I've added some seam binding and some jute which I've sparkled up. You see there? Some icy blue ribbon on there. There's some mica sprays on there. You can probably see the shine now. There's some more of the paper that I've dyed. Sort of really the colours that the oxides that I use sort of really complement ARTYmaze's kit there. There's another flip. There's some seam binding ruffle sewn on. Another page from the kit. Some more of my dyed paper there onto parchment. Another page from the kit. More of the dyed paper. Little sewn in envelope there. Some little cluster and some bits on there, if you can see that. Oh, cute little squirrel there eating his nut. The envelope is made out of some decorator's paper that I've just trimmed with some lace, what it looked like icicles. And inside is another tag, which I just clipped together there. And there's some photo paper there, just a little flip up. That just tucks in there. There's some lace at the top, another element from the kit. On the back, there's a little collage, a Tim Holtz paper doll, and various other Tim Holtz ephemera. I'll just put that clip back on there. Just keeps the paper from getting caught. There's some more of the paper that I dyed on the side there, and again there, another page from the kit. There's a flip there. It's hiding a little tag. I think that's an element from My Porch Prints, actually, that design, but that's ARTYmaze on the back there with a tag. There's a wee bit of collage in there. There's some stenciling, texture paste, some rick-rack, and sewing round. Their elegance, their fragility, little saying there, a number tag. I think that one's from Shabbydabbydoodah, those number tags. I shall link everybody's kits as usual down below. There's a little tag there. I've used some texture paste to stencil snowflake. There's mica sprays on there and that icy blue ribbon. And some more of the dyed paper there. There's that doily again. And there's a flip up there. There's just a little pocket behind. There's a hair there and some of the icy blue ribbon. It's just holding a little tag in there. That's a squirrel again. So cute. Little snowflake stencil on the back. And that's My Porch Prints background there. But that's an ARTYmaze element, that squirrel. And this is a recycled Christmas card, which I just made into a journaling card. There's some lace at the side there. The Salvation Army picture there. There's also a pocket in there. There's nothing in it though. There's another tag there with various elements on and some texture paste and mica sprays. All sort of icy feel. I've even put some sparkling on the calico there. I don't know if you can see that on there. Yeah, there you go. All pages from the kit. There's some of my own dyed paper. That's the end. And again, some of the photo album paper, which I've stenciled with some snowflakes on there. Let's use this paper again, see if it helps. You can't see it very well. There you go. And there's the back page with some sparkly elements. There's a Tim Holtz cardstock there, pocket, and Tim Holtz paper doll on one of ARTYmaze's journaling cards. That's a Tracy Fox label there. It's from I think it's from the Minis kit, part of, because she's got a multitude of label kits. I think that's from a mini ephemera kit, that one. And there's some trim at the side there. And that's it. So it's just a quick one this time. But I really enjoyed making that and thought you'd like to see it. And that's my latest creation, the start of winter. And I'm actually filming this on Halloween night. So I hope you've all had a fantastic Halloween. I think most people celebrated yesterday, Saturday. I saw all the kids were out yesterday and knocking on all the doors. Looks fantastic, all of them. So yeah, that's my journal in its little clutch bag. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. And I've actually got another Christmas, well, I've got a Christmas journal, specifically Christmas journal on the go, which I'll be showing you soon. So keep an eye out for that. But until then, this is it. Thanks everybody for watching, and all my new subscribers. You're all amazing me that you want to watch my videos. I love creating the journals. I continue to love creating the journals. There's so much inspiration out there. So yeah, I shall see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.